Uncle Rayla.
Mind your mother, boy. Look at you. Almost a grown man. Won't be long before you'll be joining the fight yourself.
That's right. Don't worry, Uncle Rayla. I won't let those soldiers sneak up on you.
Now, Rayla, what's going on? You two look pretty well done in. I can't remember when I last slept. Well, the news you heard about Ulfric was true. The Imperials ambushed us outside Darkwater Crossing. Like they knew exactly where we'd be. That was 2 days ago now. We stopped in Helgen this morning, and I thought it was all over. Had us lined up to the headsman's block and ready to start chopping.
The cowards.
They wouldn't dare give Ulfric a fair trial. Treason for fighting for your own people. All of Skyrim would have seen the truth then. But then, out of nowhere, a dragon attacked.
You don't mean a real, live...
I can hardly believe it myself. And I was there. As strange as it sounds, we'd be dead if not for that dragon. In the confusion, we managed to slip away. Are we really the first to make it to Riverwood?
Nobody else has come up the South Road today, as far as I know.
Good. Maybe we can lay up for a while. I hate to put your family in danger, Gerda, but...
Nonsense. You and your friend are welcome to stay here as long as you need to. Let me worry about the Imperials. Any friend of Raylov's is a friend of mine. Here's the key to the house. Stay as long as you like. If there is anything else you need, just let me know.
Wow. Silver ring. О, тётю как знаешь. Что его? Lockpick. Salt pile. О, охрана. Тако.
There is something you could do for me. For all of us here. The Jarl needs to know if there's a dragon on the loose. Riverwood is defenseless. We need to get word to Jarl Balgruuf in Whiterun to send whatever troops he can. If you'll do that for me, I'll be in your debt.
Thanks, sister. I knew we could count on you.
I ought to get back to work before I missed, but did anyone else escape? Did Ulfric?
Don't worry. I'm sure he made it out. It'll take more than a dragon to stop Ulfric's Stormcloak. I'll let them into the house and, show them where everything is.
Help them drink up our mead, you mean? Good luck, brother. I'll see you later.
Don't worry about me. I know how to lay low.
Ani ne moram da
I told you
pritisnem
my
shift.
sister would help us out. I hope to see you in Windhelm. Good luck. May the gods watch over your battles, Fred. Damn right. You don't have to be a Nord to fight for Skyrim's freedom. You should come to Windhelm with me and join the fight to free Skyrim. You've seen the true face of the Empire here today. If anyone will know what the coming of the dragon means, it's Ulfric. I hope so. Skyrim, come on. We better get moving.
Так, to Jarl of Whiterun. Join the Stormcloak Rebellion. Okay.
We'll show those faithless dogs who this land belongs to.
Idem sad da prodadem sve ovo. Ako ima ovdje negdje prodavnica. Ovo izgleda kao blacksmith. Kuća. Evo, već izgleda kao neka prodavnica. Jeste. Prodavnica.
Well, one of us has to do something.
I said no. No adventures, no theatrics, no thief chasing.
Well, what are you going to do then, huh? Let's hear it.
We are done talking about this. Oh, a customer. Sorry you had to hear that. Yeah, well, I don't know what you overheard, but the Riverwood Trader is still open. Feel free to shop. I think I have a few old spell books laying about. If you want more, you'll have to go to the College of Winterhold.
Nemam para.
Oh, a bit of this and a bit of that.
Mogu li sada prodadem nešto na njega? Da, mogu. 8, a ovo 9. Ću prodam ovaj mač. Ću se čuvam jedan ovaj. Ne, prodao sam ga. Nema veze. Prodat ću. Čuvam jedan nož. To ću da prodam. I to. To ću da prodam. To ću da prodam. To ću da prodam. To ću se čuvam. Sada kupim nešto.
I better get back to cleaning the store. What a mess.
Single. Tako je bolje. A mač? Imam li mač? Ne, mač. Tako. Zaradeo sam pare i imam puno slobodnih mjesta. Da vidim koliko je mjesta. Imam puno, a pare koliko imam? 491. Mogu bi iz pare, a da Magic. Favorite. Znači 1. Odlično. Sad da vidimo šta imam. Idem da se pridružim Stormcloaksi. Otvoreno li je na mapu? Windhelm se zove. Windhelm. Jeste. Tako. Kupio bi konja kad bi imao pare. Prvo ću da idem u Whiterun. Evo ga vidim. O. O. Živ. Čaj.
Imperial business. Be on your way. Somebody help.
Ne. Gdje je pobeđa onaj? Htio sam da mu pomognem samo. Obučen kao obično čivek. Lag. Koči se nešto. Dobre. Šta je ovo?
Well, that's taken care of. No thanks to you. Certainly not. But a true warrior would have relished the opportunity to take on a giant. That's why I'm here, with my shield brothers. An outsider, eh? Never heard of the Companions? An order of warriors. We are brothers and sisters in honor. And we show up to solve problems if the coin is good enough. Not for me to say. You'll have to talk to Codlac Whitemane. The old man's got a good sense for people.
You look strong.
He can look
Come
in
to
your eyes
master
and tell you
be
words.
a companion.
A lot on the wind today. Good hunt ahead of us.
Got the fleetest steeds in all of Skyrim.
Ah, evo. Šukran.
Man like you needs a... Suppose so. Got one all saddled if you've got the coin. Then come back when you've got that much. Ride strong.
Koliko para imam ja? Jedva pola.
Halt. City's closed with the dragons about. Official business only. Fine. But we'll be keeping an eye on you.
We'll pay whatever it takes, but we must have more swords for the Imperial soldiers.
I just can't fill an order that size on my own. Why don't you swallow that stubborn pride of yours and ask Yorland Greymane for help?
I'd sooner bend my knee to hold this.
Što je pogrešan put. Evo.
Say Helgen got hit by a dragon. One of those horrors comes here. We'll be ready.
Trebam da idem gore kod dnu. Šta je ovo? Blessing of Talos. Hajde. E tako.
What would you have me do then? Nothing?
A tu je. O,
My lord,
o.
please. This is no time for rash
Beži od
action.
mene,
I
beži od
just think
mene.
we need more information before we act.
Well, I trust you have something vitally important to tell me. Important enough to interrupt me in the middle of council? Gerda owns the lumber mill, if I'm not mistaken. Pillar of the community. And you're sure Helgen was destroyed by a dragon? This wasn't some Stormcloak raid gone wrong? By Ismir, Irileth was right.
Bolje ovo da kažem.
What do you say now, Proventus? Shall we continue to trust in the strength of our
Ne znam
walls
šta je ovo.
against the dragon?
My lord, we should send troops to Riverwood at once.
Da, tačno.
It's in the
Bravo.
most immediate danger.
Upravo je.
The dragon is lurking in the mountains.
View that as a provocation. He'll assume we're preparing to join Ulfric's side and attack him. We should
Enough! I'll not stand idly by while the dragon burns my hold and slaughters my people. Irileth, send a detachment to Riverwood at once.
Yes, my Jarl.
If you'll excuse me, I'll return to my duties.
That would be best. Well done. You sought me out on your own initiative. You've done Whiterun a service, and I won't forget it. Here, take this as a small token of my esteem. There is another thing you could do for me. Suitable for someone of your particular talents, perhaps. Come, let's go find Farengar, my court wizard. He's been looking into a matter related to these dragons and rumors of dragons.
Mislim da je ovo kraj. Vidimo se idući put. Lajkujte ako vam se svidio snimak. Subskrajbujte ako želite još. Ćao.